Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. First, I need 500 likes in this video. Please support me. Your go-to channel for real, raw, and honest reviews of the coolest wheels on the road. And today, we're diving into something truly special. The 2025 Kenworth SnowStormer Motorhome. Now, if you thought Kenworth was all about big rigs and hauling cargo, think again. The SnowStormer flips the script. It's a full-on luxury motorhome built on the rugged foundation of a Kenworth T880 chassis. This beast isn't just about comfort, it's about conquering the elements in style. Under the hood, we've got a 12.9-liter PACCAR MX-13 engine, pushing out up to 510 horsepower. That's serious muscle. And when paired with the Eaton Fuller 18-speed transmission, you're not just cruising highways, you're owning them. Snow? Ice? Mud? The SnowStormer laughs in the face of it all, thanks to its all-wheel drive system and off-road ready suspension. Step inside, and it's like walking into a high-end condo. We're talking heated leather seats, a full kitchen with stainless steel appliances, a walk-in shower, and even a fireplace. Yeah, a fireplace. The interior is designed for four-season living, with top-tier insulation and a smart climate control system that adapts to outside conditions in real time. The standout features has to be the panoramic sky roof in the main lounge. Imagine sipping coffee while watching the northern lights, or a snowy sunrise through a heated glass dome. Pure magic. And let's not forget tech. The 2025 SnowStormer comes with a 360-degree camera system, satellite internet, a touchscreen, control hub for everything from lighting to water tanks, and solar panels with lithium battery storage that let you go fully off-grid for weeks. The price? Well, it's premium, starting around $650,000. But you're getting a Kenworth-level build quality, unmatched durability, and luxury that rivals the best Class A RVs on the market. So, is the 2025 Kenworth SnowStormer worth it? If you're someone who craves adventure without sacrificing comfort, absolutely. This is not just a motorhome, it's a mobile fortress that lets you explore the world on your terms. Thanks for tuning in to Honest Auto Wheels. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more in-depth reviews of the world's most fascinating vehicles. See you on the next ride.